Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it's Max with Mira Tech Talk. Tech Talk? Tech Talk? Tech Talk. Yeah, Max with Mira Tech Talk. Back with another video. And today what I have in front of you, this is the new base M3 MacBook Pro, the 14-inch model. So this is the base. So this is the one with just the regular M3 chip. 16 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of storage. Now, there is a little bit of a catch on this one. I did get it off of the refurb section of the apple.com web store. Great way to save a few $100s on a computer from them. I highly recommend it. You still get a year warranty direct from the factory, and you can still get Apple Care on it. So the only thing about it is sometimes they don't always have the exact specifications you might want. So you might have to hunt a little bit and play a little bit of a waiting game. But that's the price we pay to save some money, right? All right, so let's get right into it. It came shipped in this exact box. It's got a pull tab here. Also, when you buy refurb from Apple, get this packaging out of the way. When you buy refurb from them, you don't get standard packaging. You'll get a plain white box with the product name, Apple Certified Refurbished, and what else do we have on here? So yeah, pretty basic. Let's go ahead and take the pull tabs off of this. The world's biggest pull tabs on a package. At least it's my knowledge. Okay. Let's look at the presentation. Should be pretty identical to what you get in standard retail packaging aside from the box. All right, so we got, that's our laptop. Should have our MagSafe adapter in here. All right, we got that. And this is the smaller brick. It's the 70 watt. And it should be plenty to power this. I'm not going to splurge and get the 96 watt because this will be just fine for my needs. All right, so you can see right there, 70 watt. Pardon my voice, getting over a cold. And got our stickers, books, and that's just a filler. Yeah, that's just a filler. All right, we got the standard fold here for basic use, the anatomy, etc. Warranty sheets, and that's it. So let's get this out of the way. All right, so let's take a look at how this looks. Let's take a look at how this, Jesus Christ. Anyways. Let's take a look at the condition of it, just to kind of see what kind of shape this is in. Do a visual inspection. Looks good. Case looks pretty good. No visible wear. Now, when they say it's refurb direct from Apple, you're getting a brand new battery. Any faulty components are replaced. It goes through their testing and treated as new, but technically labeled refurbished because they have to. Still has a sheet in here. Can remove that. Had the startup chime. Got the black keyboard here. And I know people are clamoring for that new space black, but I honestly prefer just like the regular silver. This is classic to me. And having a natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro, I like the color scheme. I like it to match a little bit. So I like the color, the silver coloring a little bit better. That's just my personal preference. So, and again, this is just an initial unboxing. I just wanted to kind of talk about maybe saving some money on, if you're out in the market for a new computer, maybe consider looking at the refurbished section on Apple's website. It'll definitely save you some money. In some cases, it's actually cheaper than if you have access to student discounts or even the educator discounts. In this case, it absolutely was. This was $16.99 for the 1 terabyte storage and 16 gigabyte RAM model of this variant. So I saved myself about $200 off retail, which is actually very good. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. This is going to be my main computer. I'm actually going to edit this video you're watching on this computer using Final Cut. So let me know if you have any questions about it. I'm going to do some long-term usage on this, just kind of see how it holds up. I always buy AppleCare on my computers. It's just how I am. You don't have to do that. It's just for my own peace of mind. I prefer having it. So let me know what y'all thought in the comments below. Would you consider refurbished, or you just want to go brand new? And I will say that if you need a certain specification and it's not available refurbished, it kind of forces your hand a little bit to push you into the new. And again, you're not always going to see the specifications you're looking for. A good majority of the time, once the product's available on there, you should have a pretty easy time finding what you're looking for. But just keep in mind, the inventory on that side of their website does refresh quite frequently. So hope you all enjoyed this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.